Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Deleting emails on your iPad is a quick process that helps keep your inbox organized. To delete a single message, open the Mail app and find the email you want to remove. Swipe your finger from right to left across that specific email. A red trash button will appear on the right side. Tap that trash button once to send the message to your trash folder. If you already have the email open, look at the top or bottom of the screen for the trash can icon. Tap it once to delete the message instantly. To delete multiple emails at once, go to your inbox and tap the edit button in the top right corner. You can now tap the empty circles next to every email you want to get rid of. Once you have selected all the unwanted messages, tap the trash button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to clear your entire inbox, tap Edit and then tap Select All in the top left corner. This highlights every message on the list. Tap Trash to move them all at once. Remember that these emails stay in your trash folder for 30 days. To delete them forever right now, go to your mailboxes list and tap Trash. Tap Edit, then Select All, and finally tap Delete. This permanently removes the data from your device. Keeping your iPad clean is easy with these simple steps. You can also change your settings to archive emails instead of deleting them if you prefer. Go to your settings menu to adjust how the swipe gesture works on your tablet.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.